If 7 root 7 into 7 cube divided 7 power minus 3 by 2 equals 7 power x power plus 2, then find the value of x. Here 7 into root 7 means 7 power 1 by 2 into 7 power 3 divided by 7 power minus 3 by 2 equals 7 power x plus 2. So 7 power 1 plus 1 by 2 into 7 power cube divided by 7 power minus 3 by 2 equal to 7 power x plus 2. 1 plus 1 by 2 LCM చేస్తే 7 plus 7 power 3 by 2 into 7 cube divided by 7 minus 7 power minus 3 by 2 7 power x plus 2. 3 by 7 power 3 by 2 plus 3 divided by 7 power minus 3 by 2 equals 7 power x plus 2. 3 by 2 plus 3 LCM చేస్తే 2 3 जा 6 3 9 by 2 7 power 9 by 2 divided by 7 power minus 3 by 2 equal 7 power x plus 2. So 7 power n by 2 7 power minus 3 by 2 equals 7 power x plus 2. So 7 power n by 2 mark into upside వెళ్తే 7 power 3 by 2 because minus symbol change into plus 7 power x plus 2. Here also LCM 7 power n by 2 plus 3 by 2 equals 7 power x plus 2. Here earths are equal, so powers are equal. 9 by 2 plus 3 by 2 LCM చేస్తే 12 by 2 7 power 12 by 2 7 power x by 2 2 1 जा 2 6 जा x plus 2 equal to 6 x equal to 4. Answer is 4.